Yo, you ever seen those videos where guys are like, I just brought this brand new car, this brand new truck, and it's giving me problems. It won't start, blah, 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 blah. Why are they lying to you, man? They trying to get views. I don't know if they're trying to diminish the brand or whatever. This is a GM thing, right? This is a Chevy Buick GMC thing, right? There's nothing special about this Malibu. Nothing at all. There's no kill switch, no nothing like that. It's just a plain old Malibu. What these dudes are doing is putting a floor mat on the gas pedal or putting their foot on the gas pedal and trying to start the car at the same time, which is causing the car not to start. That's like flipping you got the key ignition in there on your Toyota or whatever, and you just holding it after the car just started. You just sitting there holding it, fucking with the starter, right? I'm finna do it. Foot on the gas pedal, foot on brake, start it. You're struggling. Now watch this. Foot off gas. Press the button again. Car start right up. Check engine light gone. Why they lying to you, man?